So a little over a month ago, a big truck came and delivered our shed and rutted our grass in our brand new house like 2 days after we moved in, and this is what we have to deal with. So this is about 116 feet at the end of the stakes there, and what we're going to do is create a path, basically a drivable path with EasyPave grid system. As you see here, this is really bad. It's just not even worth trying to fix them in that large amount of space. So we're going to just rototill it up. And then this area here, we're going to have a landscaper come in, fill it with topsoil, and then seed it all back up, so that we have a lawn outside of the roped area that I just walked with you. All right, let's go get the rototiller going. A brick? Is it what? Let's put it in the wheelbarrow. They're bricks? Whoa!
That's why I don't like one wheelbarrow.
Thing is heavy.
Almost done. These big logs were in the ground. Say hi, Chad.
Hi, Chad.
Say hi, Dustin. Getting it ready for agro fabric. Okay, so this so far has taken 2.5 hours. We took breaks in between, but this is part one. Next, we're waiting for our delivery of the fabric, and then we'll be doing part two, and meet us then. Bye.